Hello. Today we are going to do a really beautiful soft glam look. We're going to be using the palette it's One Size by Patrick Star Visionary. It's super nice. I really like it. And I definitely want to use everything Vanilla Sands and probably some soft serve or brownie. I will let you know what I use. First, we're going to go in with the Vanilla Sands, this one right here. I'm going to go in with my finger. Very nice, very nice. Awesome. Going to use this brush right here, and I am going to go in to the soft serve here. Nice. Go on the other side. That's the birds. Lovely. Awesome. So now I'm going to go in with the everything right here. I've been dying to use this color. I'm going to use my finger because I want it to be like super, super bright. I'm just going to go right here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that is everything, isn't it? Very beautiful. All right, other side. Very, very nice. Now we are going to use the Turban Legend, the super dark color right here. It's gorgeous, and I'm going to do a bit of a cat eye with it. No, we're going to actually use brownie. I'm going to do a brown cat eye today. And I'm going to use this one right here. Put strawberries out for the birds today, and they're liking it. That works. Probably wouldn't use this for the eyeliner again, but I still like it. The other side, I gotta do this side. Lovely. Let's take my other brush and fix that corner. Awesome. I'll put a little bit of the brownie underneath my eye as well. All right, and then lovely. Now I'm going to put on mascara. 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, and this is the finished look with the mascara. I used the One Size Fantasize by Patrick Star again, and I really love it. I got 3 of them with my points because it's awesome and I love it. So yeah, so this is how it looks and this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed. Super easy, super quick. Thanks for watching.